Jailbirds? Or in here?
Okay.
No. So waiting.
Getting to be quite a big girl.
She's just growing right up, isn't she?
Step up. Up, up, up.
She's gonna grab that
Come on, you can get the bag. No, no, no,
knapsack,
the
that
bag.
bag that's got Madison's name on it.
Good. You want to eat it? Try. If you want. You do? Okay. What'd she say? She reached for the dried bread. I said, "There's bread. It's dried. You want it?" And she said, "I'm eating it."
She knows
I'm
what to
not
do. She
done.
gives you the head shake.
I need some more food.
She's not stupid.
That's
She knows what
easy.
you're talking about.
I'm hungry. Turn around and come.
Well, now we can walk over and
Sure.
sit in the shade and at least see the kids.
Sure.
Should we walk over there?
Sure. When we get this picked up here, we'll go over there.
She's so good. She's fine staying.
Oh, okay.